ebigambirwa mu budget conference barukushijemo ko barakoze sente z'umwaka gw'ebyesente gw'N2024 na ne bagenderire kukora umwaka gw'ebyesente gw'N2025-2026.
Last year we lost out money, and what we lose is from the development grant. 150 million was lost because of poor performance. So we are saying this year we want to make sure we improve so that we can attract more money next financial year.
Deho Atide mukuru wa district ya Buhweju nagira ngo ibintu buremezo barukora bamunka district ekiruko baretera bakora kubi.
Local revenue yitu tutukusiana 1% of the budget. Nkomwako gwawire tukarunda na miliyoni 2 n'ekintu aha biliyoni 26. So nabwo echo twine challenge ya esente zo munda local revenue. Why abantu bito naboro echa kabiri na sources nazo tuzurumu.
Abantu barabe ibintu kuremererwa bagira ngo bariyo no bakora n'amani okumarira seed schools z'abahirwe enguto na n'ubundi buhereza.
Echo kubanza no completinga district administration block. Ikizimbe cyito echo ndwanda completing echwe. Echa kabiri no kureba ngo twaye prioritizing ebyamagara abo kuba hamagombora gataka tungere health center siri igombora nkarbenje igombora nkiyanya kazaba igombora kwa pagrading area Rwengwe so ntwe namagombora gitu gona gagerere center series
omucyaro kuzayijemero rimwe ryo mu gombora yona neki kigumire so tuna abana bingi abatajomire abakumara P7 abo kugira ngo secondary ziri hare nabo shanga taye yongerayo
kandi abantu barbenje ebyentambara nkenguto dushirwa munonga naryo nebyetanga kongerwa amaani.
Buhweju kiruko bombyo buhereza ekiruko cyumba gisentasiya y'abantu omuri district egi.
So this year in April we were here in this district. We sat down with the head department. We looked through the areas that the district did not perform well on. We agreed, we came with the action plan, and we left it with the district to implement. Part of it we went and loaded it up on a system that is controlled by the Office of the Prime Minister. So my purpose of coming here today was basically to check on the progress of implementation of the agreed actions that can really make the district to improve.
Omugandi government kurabiro ministry ya government z'ebyanga nibashaba districts ezaganyirwa mu nkore ya local economic growth legs okureberera kurungi projects ezikozerwe.
These projects we have sponsored and we have invested in. First and foremost, we did an analysis, and all these projects are talking to the needs of the population and the districts, and we are telling them to have sustainability plans. And sustainability plans can only be there if you incorporate our legs project and investment profile into the district and the national investment profile.
Programu ya legs ekatongozebwaho mu kwezi kwa gatanu umwaka gw'2019 na nekigenderwa cyo gukora inguto amizi amakorero okombeko butari na nebindi mu districts eziri kwingana 17 omwihanga lyona.
If we are now, for example, have been operating in 10 districts for investment but 17 for microfinance support, you request to expand horizontally by increasing to other districts to also benefit in this important socio-economic development design.
I was surprised when a councillor stood up and told us that you brought this water scheme, but our community don't have money to pay for the water bills. I think as a way forward for this remaining period, as local governments, we still have a lot to do in mindset change.
Ahabwe bikozerwa mu project ezi haruho kusima habwe ntunguka omuri za districts ezakorirwa mu projects za legs.
Construct those factories, but we also do community access roads to connect where production is taking place to either the main highways, either the markets, or where there are agro-processing facilities.
Twasabire kilometer kiyana na musanzu cyonga bakozera kilometer musanzu no bucuya kabuna zonka
hati no turakora completion za kilometer 15 baitu ebyetago by'engudo ebyetago bya maizi bikikayire.
Amakuru agagashakwa Juliet Charles Sima na Jonathan Tsingwire.